Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your original audio. Duplicate the track and lock the copy so you can always revert. Then, mark the clip as dialogue in the Essential Sound panel to enable tailored processing. Once set, apply the denoise effect with a low reduction value, around 10 to 20%, to remove obvious hiss without adding artifacts. You do this now to create a clean baseline. It prevents overprocessing later and makes subsequent EQ and dynamics work far more predictably and effectively. Next, focus on targeted cleanup. If background hum or broadband noise persists, add denoise or adaptive noise reduction and slowly raise reduction while listening for artifacts. Then insert a parametric EQ and set a high-pass filter around 80 to 120 Hz to eliminate low-frequency rumble. This preserves voice clarity. Make adjustments in small steps, toggling bypass to compare. Solo the dialogue and watch levels. Make sure your processing doesn't thin the voice. This staged approach keeps the sound natural while removing the problematic background. To finish, balance levels. Normalize or run the loudness radar and match target LUFS so dialogue sits consistently in the mix. Render a preview to catch any remaining problems and listen on headphones and monitors. When satisfied, export with your chosen codec. If you hear pumping or metallic artifacts, reduce the noise reduction amount and recheck the EQ. Alternatively, send the clip to Adobe Audition and use a noise print-based reduction for tougher cases. This final pass ensures clarity without sacrificing natural tone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.